Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 Snipping Tool recording stopped something happened. Click Start, Settings, click System, click Display, click Graphics. Select Windows Store app, select Snipping Tool. Select High Performance. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.